So we are going to arrive on the morning on Friday, and we are going to open our bookshop already on Friday afternoon at 3 o'clock.
Last time you gave an explanation about what's a local concern. Have you got some reaction from the community or other organizations?
Yes, we are very excited to come here, and we have been in connection with many different organizations, and we've traveled around to many different places, and people are very excited. Many people remember our last visit and are looking forward for us coming back.
Last time you gave your explanation, somebody approached me asking me if you're going to give some lectures. Are you going to give some lectures here on the island?
We are connecting with different organizations and doing practical projects with, for example, Crusada or different other organizations, as well as we are having events on board the ship.
Okay. And until when are you'll be on the island?
We're going to be here until the 18th of April and leaving on the 19th, but the last day open will be the 18th.
One question, this is the first time you are on the island, or do you have already experience of Bonaire?
So my teammate and me, we've been here for 6 weeks already, but it's the first time for us, and we've been just amazed about the beauty of Bonaire, and the loveliness of the people.
Okay, you can invite Bonaire complete to visit you during these days you are here on the island.
Yes. Please come and make time over the Easter weekend and come and visit our bookshop. We are going to be in the port of Kralendijk, and we also have special events like a youth event and also a theater on board the ship, and tickets are available in Ado's bookstore on the same road as the supermarket, so you can buy them already in advance. And if you want to come and visit, it's only $1 entrance fee, and children and seniors are free.